What's up, everybody? This is Trader back with another live trade session. We're about to get going. I was watching Lizzie this morning. Lizzie just started to kind of peak up, but we'll see what it can do. It's kind of riding this trend line here. Maybe a flag pattern, may not be. We'll have to see. It has not given any pullbacks as of yet, but it's starting to pick up volume. But Lizzie's been pretty much the only thing that I've seen that's actually moving well. Uh, that's in the low float, so, or not really even low float, in the small caps. So we will see what will happen today. Kind of bounced off that trend line that I drew right there and may give us a little downwards movement. Has a little bit of support down here at the 598 and the 610. So we'll see which one of those can hold up, or if it can hold up VWAP. But it is kind of a flat pattern right now, so I will see. Plus, it's not that volatile, and I don't think the news is just great. Just a partnership with a automotive technology company. Yeah. So I don't know how far that can go up, or if it will continue to go up. As for the low floats, I believe this scanner is still empty. Yep, nothing over there to see. This one's just the top volume movers scanner. As long as it can hold up that 620, I think we'll be okay. If it starts to come down there and touch that 620, it's going to be a bad day for it. Ooh, getting a little push down there. Straight through the VWAP. Popping back off of it, but wow. Nice move down. All right. Will it break the 40s? Trying to hold that 650, but failing to hold that. Hmm. Losing a lot of momentum here. Every time it swings up, it loses momentum. If we look at the but if we look at the selling volume here compared to the recent buying volume, definitely a lot lower. So we'll see if it can hold up, or will this selling volume start to ramp? 47. Seeing, can we see the selling volume start to increase? And not seeing it. It's moving down, but not seeing an increase in that selling volume. Like I said yesterday, last Friday was a pretty slow Friday as well. And then with the data we had yesterday kind of really shaky. It's just it was the perfect variables for a slow day today. So I had already expected that it was going to be slow today, and I'm just going to be really really patient and not be throwing the money around like it's, like it's just everything's going to pop, cuz we don't know what's going to pop today. Not yet anyway. Lizzie looking real weak right now. Will it break down the 40s? 44s, 43s, 2s, 41s. Okay. Let me check my other scanner real quick to see if there's any low floats moving yet. Nope, no low floats. So be careful today. Keep your money very tight because not looking too good. Unless some maybe some news pops. SGOC still headed down. Have a pretty big pop right there. Not interested. This candle has about 30 seconds left on it. 20 seconds left. Where does it want to go? It did come down here. Looks like it had a trend here, bottomed here, and then popped up. So it came from the 555 up here to the sixes. Maybe it has potential to go higher. But if it cracks that 620 level, might have to let it go for the day. For the day. It's the bottom of this. The bottom of this candle is a 626. Boy, if it breaks that, it's definitely going to be a downtrend on the 15-minute. Is it trying to form a new bottom here at the 332? There. It's trying to hold up there a little bit. So that bottom, this may be a real bottom, but I don't know yet. Hasn't really tested it. Getting up to those 50s. So we look at this last ramp in the buying volume, then we see this very small ramp of selling. Can we get any confirmation? Or will the shorts take it? Oh, wow. That was a big pop. Went green to red, or red to green to red, green to red. It's a lot of indecision. What went up there and touched that trend line right there that I drew. Okay. Touched it again. That's a second rejection off the trend line. Will it be 3 times the charm? Will it break, or will it get rejected again? Three rejections on the trend line. Will it go back red? Will this be a fourth rejection on the trend line? Looks like the buyers has stepped in there, but all of this buying and no motion upward is a bad sign. Getting up there to the trend line. Also getting pushed down. Will it stay above the 60s? Nope. Cracking down a little bit. See, will it go red here? Or will it continue higher? Got about 15 minutes to the bell. Getting absolutely punished at that trend line. Let me go and check my other scanner real quick. See if anything's popped up. Nothing on the low float side. Lizzie's been the best thing in the pre-market, but it just can't get up and go. So maybe we'll get a retest of the 630s here. Hopefully it doesn't fall through. Can it stay in the 40s? Bouncing off the 41s right there. Looking very, very weak right now. I don't know about it. Trying to stay above the 30s. Still got almost 2 minutes on this candle. So it's got room to work. Back under the 50s though. Starting to get a little bit too comfortable under the 50s. Selling pressure is coming in, but it has not overtaken that last buy down here on the volume bars. Will it be ramping selling pressure? All right, down to the 42s. Break the 45s. Broke the 45s. Trying to hold them up. This stock isn't moving much either. It's only moving a couple of cents either way. Let this candle close. This candle has about 40 seconds left. $666 looks like the resistance up here, right through there. 665-ish. Looking very, very heavy now. Not really liking it. Will the seller step in here? There is 200,000 shares traded on this candle alone. This is a 5-minute candle. Coming down there and finally testing those 30s right there. Let's see if it'll break it. Got a lot of momentum going downwards. We got the rejection of the trend line there behind it. We got the break of VWAP, break of the 9 EMA, and then it's closing in on the 15-minute 9 EMA. So we will see. Pop back over to SGOC real quick. Look at this thing, man. Low volume. It's been running for a couple of days, dropped off. Now doing another pop. I believe the open is going to be very, very bad for some of these stocks, tickers. Let me go and check the low flow scanner. Still nothing in the low flows. Man. So now the 630 is almost aligning with the 9 EMA now. So if it breaks that, we could see quite a move down. Trying to get back over those 40s. VWAP is at the 45 right now. I would like to see it in an upward trend before I try anything on it. It's just sitting still now at the 40s. Very low share sizes around here, only 300, 320, 100, 595. Very small shares. Where the big buyers? There's one. 10,000 shares at the 13.99. Let's see. Or actually, these are the bids. I mean, these are the ask and this is the bid. So let's see who's sitting on this side to hold it up. Got somebody at, so it's just small share sizes getting traded here. That's another bad sign. Let's see who's up on volume. We got AT&T out here. SGOC still doing his thing. Much larger market cap on it. So I believe on the open, this one's going to be looking pretty bad on that dive. Lizzie breaking down the 40s finally. Let me look at the who's buying on this one. Yeah, small share sizes over here as well. Nobody's confident. Will it break the 13? 1301, 1303, bouncing on the 13 there. Snap through the 13 a little bit. All right. Lizzie is holding up. Okay. Lizzie. Can we transition into an upward trend? I don't know yet. 650. Can we? Oh, it's 5 minutes. Okay, I can't take any trades anyway. 5 minutes to the bell, market closed. All right, we'll let it do its thing. I didn't even realize. Oh well. Let's check the low flow scanner. Nothing still. All right. I was interested in this one, but it's just a little bit risky. Not that volatile either on little to no news. It's just a continuation stock. And it's right above the SMA as well. So what the SMA is at 634. It's at like the 640s. So it doesn't have that far to go down to break that SMA. Literally this line, basically. We'll see what happens. Maybe it'll get bought up here. Good morning, One Life. We're watching Lizzie, but Lizzie just is looking kind of bad, so I'm just gonna have to wait on it. And then the other one that was moving was SGOC, but you know, it did its little run here. So it's a higher market cap, so it's a little bit risky. But we will see on the open. Got about 3 minutes left. SGOC extended, may go for a little dip on the open. We'll watch it. Lizzie. Lizzie still looking like it wants to dive. Will it stay below the 40s here? Will it hit that 39? Let's see, let's see. SGOC looking quite dangerous. Really wide range here. From the 1299 up to the 1381. Wow. All right, we're coming up. We're coming up into the serious bits of the morning now. This is not good that it's going up like this. That means it's gonna start very high and have to work after it pulls back. It's gonna go red on the day. Good morning, MSEC. All right, the market is open. I believe this is gonna explode upward and then go down a lot. First minute, getting on up there, has a bottom of the 1353. There's our support. Lizzie did dive. Gotta hold up this 1358. Got a low right here of the 1354. Lizzie back up to the, nope, not back up to anything. Are there any low floats moving yet? Nope, no low floats. I think, wow. Wow. SGOC taking a big dip right there. Can we get any more push down? That's a big dip. Any more push down on this one? $75s. Come on, push down. We know you got it in you. All right, that one has a lot of work to do. AMC looking very awkward as well. Lizzie dropped on down there off that trend line. mRNA. Apple popping. Any low floats? Nope. There we go. There's a little bit more dipping. How far can we go? It's a little bit more. Wow. $12.50. Will it break the 1250s here? Yeah, not interested in that one at all. Red on the day got a lot of work to do. Let's see. Still hammering down. Good morning, Daniel B. We're just watching SGOC get destroyed. That's all. Will it break down this bottom here of the 1235? Wow. Yep. All the way back down here to the 9 EMA on the 15-minute. See if we're getting any low floats yet. Still no low floats. All right. All right. AMC getting dumped off. Man, today was not a good day to be going long at the open. Not a good day at all. Anybody else seeing anything out there? Because these are the top volume movers on the day, and we're just not seeing anything that's appetizing. Everything on the open has just dipped. Hmm. Well, congratulations, shorts. This is definitely a short day. So I guess GOC is not done going down, not running out of gas yet. It's gonna bury everybody that is still holding from up here. Went up there, tapped that SMA, got destroyed off of it. Waiting, watching. Something's going to pay us today. Something. Slow Friday means that you have to be eagle-eyed. Got to take only the best trades on a slow day. Can Lizzie start to hold up that 625? FXLV. Took a nice dip. Was this a IPO? Looks like it is. Fitness training shares see modest rise in stock market. Yep, IPO. All right, SGO still killing people. Lizzie getting a double top here. See if we can start to push up. Get that 625 back under his belt. The high of this was the 644. Can we get back to the 630s? Trying to get back up there. $28. Let's see, Lizzie. Is he getting shoved down again? I mean, I see this trend is, I mean, it's kind of a flag pattern, but it's a very deep flag pattern, if it is one. You can push down there. A lot of pressure there to the downside. Okay, like it. Almost went back green on the day. Got attacked right there at the top. Let me check the low floats. Still nothing. Okay, Lizzie getting destroyed. Can it hold up this level here? Right in this range. Wow. As soon as I put it there, it was getting down there. Does not look too good to me now. SGOC, where did you stop? Still going down, fading. Something's got to give a chance. All right, so I don't see anything on the main scanner that's moving that well, so I don't know, man. I guess it's just a wait and hold and wait. AMC still getting bodied. This thing's almost back down to 10 bucks. Okay, looking like we're getting a little bit of a range here. But I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I think it's going to stay under this SMA. It's going to take a good bit of pressure to push it back through that SMA. Hitting the $6 again, going through it. Wow. Not a lot of confidence there. Maybe the low float's just halted. Maybe that's what it is. They're just halting. That's why they're not here yet. All right. Starting to like Lizzie here. If it can start to transition back to an upward trend for this flag break, if it can do it. I don't really know if it can. have to see. Getting pushed back down. Let this candle close. Hopefully it stays red. But then again, Lizzie isn't that volatile either. So it may be a bad choice to go into this one. Yeah, I think I'm just going to wait for confirmation. I'm not going to jump in on this one. Yep, I called it yesterday. Just I don't know, bro. The momentum's just kind of dying. And this thing's only up 10%. Actually, it may be up more than that. Let me go and check one more thing. Where is it? Yeah, it's only up 10%. Okay. Eight. Yeah. Was hoping Lizzie could kind of hold up for me over the 6, but it's like it's cracking back down. SGOC not coming back up ever. It's waiting. Lizzie back down here. It's really loving this little range here. Where's my box? Has a range pretty much of this right here. Looks like people are just trying to hold it up there. I think if it breaks out of there, it's over. There's a news on Lizzie, you know, not the best news. AMC still dumping, shorts harvesting their profits. Lizzie getting down here again, holding up this $6 level. This candle, the 15-minute candle, will be closing in 2 minutes. Finally breaking the 6 right there. Will it go ahead and break out of there? The low of this candle was the 593. 97s. There's the rip down. I'm done with that one. Not touching it. Nasty rips. Any kind of low floats here. Still no low floats. Ah. Wait a minute, did I turn the wrong thing on? Oh, I did. Turn the wrong thing on. All right, now we're good. mRNA making moves up. Mm. OCGN. Let's see. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Man, oh well. Be patient. Patiently waiting. RCAT. Any news on that one? Acquire UAV technology firm Teal Drones. Okay. Daily resistance looking like 555. 792. GLG is what you traded. Let's see, GLG. Oh my gosh. This is an extremely cheap stock. What's the float on it? GLG. Yeah, I usually don't mess around that low. That's low, low. What was your entry price on GLG? One Life. And does it have any news on the day? TD Holdings acquire human. Why am I not seeing this on the overall scanner? It's up 58% and I don't see it here. It's got plenty of volume. Still don't see it. Still don't. Oh, okay, okay. Maybe it's last trade. There it is. That's what's messing me up. Last trade. There he is. All right, let's go and I can get this off of here. All right, so there's GLG. I was wondering, I was like, where is this thing? So apparently by default, that 10 volume had the price set at $5. Nothing below 5. A here, AEHR. Huh. Research, blah, blah, blah. All right. I may take stabs at GLG if it continues to look good, but right now it's coming down and basing out. Daily resistance here hasn't given a pullback yet. Matter of fact, shouldn't this be on my $3? Something's wrong. Something is wrong. GLG popping off there. Okay. Let this candle close. Did somebody just text me? Okay. Okay. All right. GLG. It's pulling back. Where is the daily resistance on it? AEHR has a little bit of resistance that it already passed, so there'll be support, hopefully. There we go. Chart. Did this one double top? Will it break this 126 here? Or is it ready to move higher? I like it. Kind of waiting to see it test this again. 126, what's the action there? AEHR also coming into a dip. Could use this as the bottom. I think this is the one that I'm gonna play. Letting it come on down. I like it. Yeah, I like this one a lot. So I'm gonna let this candle, oh, it's got 4 minutes on this candle. That's why it's moving like that. Let me go and read up on it real quick. AEHR. No shelf registrations. Float of 20.27 million. Okay. GLG. Just don't like that setup. For it to go green, it's gonna have to crack that 130. Not too interested in that setup though. GLG facing a lot of over the top resistance. AEHR is my fan favorite. It's got about 2 minutes left on this candle. I'm gonna go ahead and take on this one. 100 shares. This will be my out down here, 355. See if it can hold up. With a dip to my entry. Not giving me a little dip there. There's a little dip. Can we hold that 65? There we go. Add it right there. Low of this 54. Low 54. 3. 200 shares. If it wants to stop me out. VWAP is a 349. It's right under it, so I'll go there. Can get back over the 60s. Add it there. What is VWAP? VWAP is at the, where was VWAP? VWAP is at the 349. Can we hold up those 60s? Low of this one was a 348. Wow, this one may actually rocket power me out of this one. Needs to start holding the 60s. There we go. Can we get any more pops over the 60s? $50 left. Can we get back up here to the 62s? It's looking like some resistance right up here. 62s. Nice. New bottom forming, low of the 659. 359. Can we get those 70s? New bottom here, low of the 356. Those 70s up there. Wow. Low is a 359 now. Got to be my all out point. It's getting a little shaky here. So if it snaps down, I'll just be out there. Taking profit. Taking profit. Wow. This thing snapped down a lot. Take all off there. It just does not look good on that one. That was a couple of trades, but man, really just lost me on that dip down. Little bit of a gain, whatever. I had to let it go. I had to let it go. Took profit a little bit at the top, but I was going to leave some on. But with that topping tail, I had to jump out. So I am up a couple more dollars. Nothing else was looking too good. GLG was failing. AEHR was pretty much my favorite, but ended up fading. There's another one, this one, SXTC. Should be, actually, I could probably trade on my other one now. Let's see. Yeah. Something's still holding it out. There it is. All right, so now these look a little bit better. GLG, AEHR did do a big dip. Glad I'm not holding that one. SXTC. I'll let this candle close. It's already kind of up. Oh, I got 400 bucks left to trade. Oh my goodness, I used a lot of capital on that other one. Boy, man, money goes quick, bro. Money goes so quick. Looks like all of the volume is down here in the cheap stuff. Yeah, we in the garbage can today, boy. Getting a couple of cents out the garbage can. All right, 12, 11. Okay, let's go ahead and try this one for a scalp. Ooh, $2.15. And I guarantee none of these had news. Look at this, no news at this time. Well, I tell you what. Yeah, AEHR ended up fading. I took a little bit of profit, but when I saw that weakness, I immediately jumped out. I think at the very top it was 12 cents up. So if I would have took everything at the very top, that would have been pretty good. But I took just a little bit. Let's see, what would that have been on 300 shares? 12 cents is 300 times 12, 36 bucks. So it's whatever. I would have took at the top. I would have had about a 40-buck win, but I was expecting it to continue and it did not at all. Especially with that much volume. Really expected it to go. But it's whatever. Yeah. But I still got out green, so it's what I think I got like $15 off of it or $14 off those shares. So I'd rather be walking away now than look under getting punished here. All right, Moho, trash. Well, got 400 bucks left. Let's see what we can do with it. Today I did add some more money to the account. I added 475 bucks. So yeah. Still getting it up. So that's not money off that last trade. That's money that I added as well. I want more money to play with because now I'm understanding the market more. And I'm like, I mean, I want to extend my playground. But you do pay to play because that definitely could have went very badly for me. Very, very badly. Yeah, a little lunch money. Trust me, I'm coming back Monday with the other side of the account. It'll be about 3 grand. So I definitely have an extended playground. But I won't. When I first started, I was trading with 500 bucks a day. And it was like I was splitting a cash account 250, 250. And when I tell you that money would disappear so quick. I mean, you couldn't do anything with like 500 bucks in a cash account. Maybe if you're using like one of those accounts that does the multipliers, multiplies by 6 or whatever they do. But man, it went so quick. So now that I'm understanding the market a lot better than when I started, I'm putting more playground material in here. But still, continuing the Green Day roll. I think it's been, let me see, I don't know, a week and a half since I had a red day. Yeah, you were right. One life, all you could get was like a nickel off of this one. I mean, it just came up and just splatted. SXTC. I take 100 shares. Where will that leave me? 100 shares, 200 bucks. Hmm. This one's reaching that struggle area. Let's see, it has a resistance up here of the 222. GLG. Yeah, definitely has a lot of non-binding letter of intent. It has a letter of intent that's causing it to move like this. So they acquired. No. They actually acquired. Wait. Entry into a non-binding letter of intent. Entered. Acquire human whatever new material. I don't know. Yeah, one life exactly. The lower the price, the tighter the range. Cause like on a dollar stock, 50 cents is huge. Like if you look at the percentage, that is huge. But of course, you know that's what I'm looking for. 50 cents. All right. So it is 9:34. I've taken one trade, sold four times on that one. Almost got stopped red, but kept a cent of that last 75. Oh my goodness. But this is Friday, so be careful. You don't want to close the week up super bad. You know, it's been slow. Last Friday was slow. Um, I know last Friday was a red day for me, I believe. I forget. No, it wasn't. It was a green day, but it was just slow. It was a small green day. Um, but man, these days right here, when you got a bunch of trash that's up, things can go south real quick. SXTC pulling back there. GLG slowing down as well. Yeah, true. Because the thing is, I've noticed that stocks that are under, let's say, stocks that are under $2, when if they're coming from, let's say, if they're moving up from 75 cents and they get to that $2 range, when I tell you they dive back down, I remember trading those, getting stuck in those. I was like, okay, it's gonna break $2. High hopes with even higher fail rates. SXTC struggling. Mm-mm. Daniel be out here spouting the wisdom. That looks like a double top right there. 220. Let's see if it can break that 220. Looks like it wants to. But that double top is a big no-no for me. Oh, looks like it's gonna break it. Tested it again. You gonna break? No? Well, will it stay above the 15s? Looks like it wants to break it though, for real. Just struggling to do so. Taking too long. It's not gonna move out much if it does move out now. People have taken their orders off. I would have taken my order off if I was trading this break of the highs, but I'm not. It's not gonna go far. It's gonna pull back. There's a pullback, even more pullback. Give them some red, boys. Let's show them the coloring book. All red. Blood in the water. Shark attack. Let's go. We know you want to. I see it on the tape. There's blood in the water. I can smell it. Getting back up there, trying to. Oh, on the 15-minute, this is also a double top. 2.5. No, this high is 222. This one's 215. Looked like a double top. Got up there to the 222. Right up there to the top level here. Just kind of slowing down. There it goes. Literally a peak out, like a cent above. I don't like these types of stocks. AEHR continuing to do its thing. There will be blood. This one's trying again. Might go ahead and go on this one. This is a retest. Yep. Come on, break. Here we go. I hate these types of stocks. They break by a cent and then drag you down. Drag you down. Just trapping all these longs up here. All these people like, oh, it's going to go higher. Okay. All right. You don't see this murder scene happening? Sitting in a room with like 30 murderers and they're all committing their crimes. You're saying, I don't see it. But it's coming. This drop is coming. Let's see if this bar will go red. Or will the buyers step back in a hopeless attempt to push this higher? There you go. Showed us red for a little bit. There it is. Okay. Yeah, that's just not looking too good right there. AEHR trying to get back up. GLG really not looking good. I can only take 100 more shares of AEHR. It did try to take my soul one time, so, you know, didn't really like that treatment. Has a bottom here of the 340. Mm-hmm. Very low buying volume here. Comparison to the selling that just came through. Let's see. 2 million shares traded, 4 million, 3, 1 million, back up to 4 million. 4 million was the last sell bar. I think that's the largest candle on the. Nope, it's still a buying. Well, they're about even. 4,850 and 4,880. But still, this buying pressure is laughable. Of course, they were better thinkers, Daniel B. They literally had nothing to do. We have cell phones. We have all sorts of things that take our attention away from thinking logically. I mean, almost our whole day is spent doing. I mean, for the normal person, almost their whole day is spent doing absolutely nothing but being a drone. So when all you got to do is like farm work or you know some other type of stuff and try to stay alive, you think of the best ways to do so. You sit around, that's the difference between them and us. We can't sit for an hour and just think about a topic just by ourselves. We need some kind of other input, like a phone, or like that's what makes Instagram and Facebook so popular. It gives you validation on your idea. It's like, hey guys, what's this idea? Is it good? Y'all think it's good? Okay. But back then it was more like, okay, I think I have a good idea. I'm gonna do what it takes to make this idea happen. And that's the effort that sometimes we miss today. Effort, effort, effort. Where is the effort? STC is still grinding, man. NEGG again? Not interested. SXTC just being a very, very weird stock. Coming up here and just holding this level here. Yeah, I'm going to leave that one alone. AEHR. See if it can hold these levels up to 342. Looks like the 9 EMA is at the 348. AEHR still needs a pullback. I'm not interested yet. May actually form a flag pattern, really. But I need one more. Usually, before I put a flag out, I need 3 points of confirmation. It's only 2 right now. This one just slowly grinding up, slowly. Where are the resistance levels here? Was this 2017, 2018? That was a while ago. Broke out of this high. I don't know what it wants to do. I don't know what that wants to do there. Right. SXTC finally coming off of that high. I'm more interested in AEHR right now. Getting on up there. But this will be the second point. If it gives us red here, this will be the second point I need to see. Getting on up there though. Very extended has not given me my confirmation that I'm looking for, so I'll wait. Even if it continues to go, I'll just wait. Three minutes left on this candle. See if it'll break down to 65. Start to consolidate up here. The volume bar on this selling candle definitely overshadowed all of these buying bars. This candle will be closing in 15 seconds. All right, so we got the 350 that needs to hold up. Coming back under that trend line. Will it break that 65 down? '65's right there. Back under that trend. So this is a wiki one as well. Not only is the trend line holding it down, this top level here of the 372 is holding it as well. That one faded. So yeah, AEHR is the best one, best looking one to me. 15-minute last known bottom was a 344. Love to see it stay above that. And the 9 EMA has already crossed that 344. So, you know, if it breaks that 9, I don't know. It may be a bad sign. What did you trade, Daniel B? Did you trade this move right here? All right, looking like we're trying to get back up to this trend level. We're holding up this previous low here is the 359 for our support. Getting beamed a little bit. This candle will be closing up in 30 seconds. Fifteen seconds. Okay. Let's see. Can it hold above this trend line? Will it test down? Looking for up. Was that a double top? A little bit of a double top. See if it'll test down real quick. How far will you drop, buddy? I like it. Just opened up this candle. So let's see if it can break down to 65 here. Like it. May try for just small scalps here. Let's see if we can stay above 65. Coming all the way down to the 65. Will it break it? Back under the trend line. This 360 was the last place that where the support could be. $360 right there. Let's put that as support. It can hold that up. Doesn't look like it can though. 65, 66s. I like it. Retesting that trend. Will it blow through all of this? Try the 60 again. Can we see it hold the 63? Nice. Back to the 63s. Re-challenging that. Back to the 62s. I'm not seeing it. It's just not holding out of that trend line. It tried. Needs to hold up the 60s now. Two minutes left on this candle. This bottom here is the 56. Yeah. Let's see if it'll dip down one more time for an entry. Trying to buy as close to the 60 as I can. Nope. Dip down. Nope. Not giving it to me. Go ahead and take there. This will be my out down here, 356. Actually, I can use a 353. 3. What in the world? So we will see what it can do up here. It's holding up those 60s. Want to see it try to get to the 70s. It'd be a nice. If not, I will be out. Can we get the 65s up there? Immediate rejection off the 60s. All right, so the bottom of this candle is the low of the 57. 57. I have to get out. Actually, just make it 54. It wants to crack down on me. This is the last trade of the day. I don't have any more money, so oh well. Bottom of this candle is a low of the 362. I'll go ahead and move it up there. So that'll be risking 4 cents for my entry. 360, actually 360 would be a nice exit. 360, nice. Got a quick pop up there. Got my exit ready to go if it doesn't want to go through this top of the 380s. Can we get that 75 break? That's what everybody's waiting on. Low of the 357. Can we get that 75 break? We got a nice push. All right, so break even right now is a 366. Do I want to go out break even? Could use a 9 right here as the out. 355. That's what I'll do. Use a 9 as an out. Get out at the 355 down here on the 15-minute 9. All right, coming back down, but I'm still holding here at the 355 level. Hasn't really showed me any reason to get out yet. Still above the trend as well. Just waiting for it to pop that 71 again. I have noticed I take pretty good entries. The only problem is I take very quickly and literally miss the move because I take so quick. Can we push back into the 70s? Okay. Can we get a sporadic stock here? Sitting at the 55s. Can we throw 67s there? Nope. All right. Let me go ahead and decrease my my size if it wants to play like this. We'll see those 66s back up there. Not seeing them. Yep, they can't hold it. Getting out on this break of the 9 EMA on the 15-minute. They can't hold. Can we see the 65s back up there? 60s. Come on. Just a little run up. Hmm. Wow. All the way down. May get me out here. 10 bucks. 10 bucks risk. Can it get back over the 60s? Not seeing those 60s pop back up there. Very, very downtrend like motion. 58s. Can we get those 59s back in there? Don't see them on the bid. 59s. Nope. Ah, come on, bro. '59s. '59s. No 60s though. No 60s on the tape or anything. Coming down. It's over with. Looking like it's gonna smack me here. Yep. That's it. That's it, folks. Mm-hmm. I don't know what this thing wants to do, man. It's crazy, crazy stuff. Now, one thing, the bottom here will be the new low, 356, if it can push over those 60s. Okay, so yeah, new low found here at 356. And not let it go any further than that. This is low of 354. That was a very short-lived candle. So I will be ready to get out if it wants to dip. Risking 10 bucks here. May lose 11 on slippage. Yep, got out right there. Well, made I don't know what I made, but about break even on the day. 10 and 10. Whatever. I lost on AEHR again, so whatever. Break even day. I'm okay with that. We'll be okay. Yep. All right. I just had to get out of that one. Not giving me any choice. Got 57 bucks left. Ridiculous. 15 shares. Could not hold that 360. Hmm. Now it's just not even looking good anymore. So I may have to go ahead and call it quits on these stocks. Oh, it is almost 10:30. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'll be back on Monday. Today was almost a break even. I think I was down 5 bucks. So because I know I put in 475, I think I'm down 5 bucks on the day. So whatever. But let's go over these realized gains and losses. Realized gains and losses. Yeah, I took all of my trades were on AEHR. Was looking for the break, but never came. Pretty much break even. Lost $5 today. So I guess this would be a red day. I guess I can count it as a red day. Um, my transactions. Yeah, these are my transactions, buys and sales. Yep. And these are the cost of the positions or whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and close it up on Friday. I will walk away with this little $5 loss and come back on Monday with more a little bit more gusto. Uh, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and shut it down. I will see you guys Monday. Um, hopefully you guys, if you were able to take profit, congratulations. I just had a very, very slow day. Whatever. We'll be back. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.